Morning everyone, happy Monday. Deb here from Deb House Crafty Cottage. You are looking at a can that I altered on a live stream with Kathy's Cards and Tina's Crafty Life a while back. I think that's what her channel name still is. I'm not sure. Anyway, I was going to use it for buttons, to hold on my buttons, but I changed my mind because I have a different plan for my buttons. So in 2020, Jen Evers started here on YouTube, Jen Evers, E-V-E-R-S. She started a positivity, not really a collab or challenge, movement, I think is what she called it. And what it is basically every week you have to reflect on at least one thing that happened that was positive in the past week. I'm just going to say one thing because, and then at the end of the year you would have 52 things. Well, I got a little behind. I was going to join right away and then I kind of got backed up in January, but I have this on my calendar now. So every Monday I'm going to do a quick video and I won't be as gabby hopefully each time. So I'm just going to write down one positive thing that has happened in the last week. So this would be the week of, let's see, the week ending 2/1. Week ending Saturday. Actually, it would be, depends on which calendar you look at. You know, is it ending 2/2? Ending 2/2, Sunday 2/2. Since I'm doing it on a Monday, we'll do 2/2/20. That was my daughter's birthday, 2/2/20. And so, positive thing is I spent Saturday evening with my daughter and my son for, my daughter's name is Amy, A-M-I-E, Amy's birthday. I cooked for her and then we, which turned out pretty good, I think, and she seemed to enjoy it. And then we chatted for a while and opened her cards and stuff. And I'm going to do it this way because this is a sticky note. And then we decided to do a puzzle instead of a game or something. So we got out a puzzle, which is so addicting, guys. I haven't done puzzles in a while and I have lots of them to do. So I had gotten one at a thrift store, which is an odd shaped one. And we spent a couple hours doing that. It's so addictive. And finally she said, I have to go. So this is going in the can. I may come back and do January in retrospect, but for now this is one positive thing that happened in this past week, and it is now in my positivity can. And I'll put the lid back on. So every week I'll be pulling out my little can and a slip of paper and putting something positive in this, and then at the end of the year I can either pull them out or it'll be like a time capsule, and I can, if I'm having a really bad week or something, I can open it and look through it and see everything positive. Now this was an event kind of positive, but it doesn't have to be that. But I don't get to spend time with my daughter and son without grandchildren and stuff around much, so I really enjoyed that, and I hope Amy did too. Anyway, but I can come back and look at this. It doesn't have to be an event. It can be just a simple little thing, every little thing. And sometimes we have rough weeks and you just have to look for the smallest little positive thing, and it can help turn your day around or your week around. So I hope you will join us on this positivity journey. And thank you, Jen, for starting this, because we could all use some positivity in our lives nowadays, right? This world is kind of nuts sometimes, and it helps. So enjoy your week. Happy Monday, and I will talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.